Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do what to click on that subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you don't miss out on any updates. So guys, once you subscribe to this channel, click on that bell notification and also click on the notification so you will not miss out on any single update. Now let's see what we'll be expecting on our odd USD, which is AUD USD. Now let's start with our trend. So we would want to see the full bigger trend, and so in order for us to be able to predict what odd will be doing. Now let's zoom it out. What is the main trend? Remember, we will be looking at the main trend first before we look at our current trend. Now this is the main trend, and we can clearly see that the main trend is what? In a downtrend move. So the main trend is a bearish move. We are having a series of lower low and a lower high, right? It is very much a downtrend move. It is bearish. Now, if you are to zoom it in, you see that this is our current trend. Remember, we have the main trend and we have the current trend. So with what market is doing here, this is very much our current trend, which is a bullish move, right? But we will, after that, this is our current trend, a bullish move. Right now, market is doing something. Guess what? Market wants to start moving in the direction of the main trend. And what is the main trend? The main trend says we are in a bearish move. The main trend says we are in a bearish move. If you are not zooming it in properly, you can see that this trend wants to start moving to the direction of the main trend, which is a bearish move. It looks like market wants to start dropping. That should now take us to our 4-hour time frame to see. And we can clearly see that on this our 4-hour time frame, guess what? We are in a downtrend move. Market is giving us what? A series of lower low and a lower high. Now, let's start from here for quick analysis. If this is our lower low, then here comes the lower high. This is what? The lower low, and here comes the lower high. Market eventually did what? A lower low, and here comes the lower high. Market eventually dropped again and gave us a new lower low. So guys, one thing you should be expecting next on our odd USD is a lower high. So we should be expecting a lower high that will serve as a pullback, which will not be much. So once the lower high plays out and it gives us the pullback, then we can now go ahead to open for another drop that will be serving as a new lower low. So basically, we are still bearish on our odd USD. So if you're a day trader, you can still open for the you would only look for your sell probably in your London or New York section. If you're a position trader or a swing trader, you can still open on the sell and hold it. If there will be any changes to this moment, I'll let you guys to know. So click on that subscribe button and share.